Hiya, got a different level of vice restoration today. So we have got a wooden and a record. Both have got oil all over them, so both have got to go in the bucket. What should we do? So that's a 00 and that's a 0. Which one of these would look good in yellow and brown? I'm going to go for that one. Good choice, Jim. That one. Let's keep them apart. First thing first, knock out the pin. The pin is not a pin. Again, back to the pliers that are bigger than the tool. The pin is a pain in the arse. Thank you all for your responses on the toolbox video, especially Resto. So it's a mangled pin, it's a broken in half washer, and it's a squashed flat spring. There it is. Here's my little punch. This is my special little punch. Just for these fucking things. They're fucking annoying. They either come out or they break. Okay. Well. Oh, that's gone a bit black and blue already. Fucking hell. Can we see that? That's a and the fucking thing's still in there. I don't know how that fucking happened. Might have to just go and deal with that for a minute. Plaster. You shouldn't be thinking about other things while you're banging things. You should be in a zone. Right. Obviously we've got another pin here to get out, yeah? We all know that now, don't we? With records. I'm using a screw. It's that easy. It should always be that easy. If it's not, something's going on. New box. Oh, my finger hurts. Whew. And what is upsetting, I was using the correct implement for the job. I can go in there, but that's no good. Again, weirdly, oh yeah, washer broke in here. So washer broke on this one. So we will have to find a washer. Right, now put that back in. Remember, put that back in now. Bit of tap, there it goes. And out comes your nut. There's currently, people, there's a Wilton vise on eBay for 40 quid. It's not a round one, it's a square one. They're not worth overly too much money. And I thought, well, I might have it. And then I looked and the postage was 20 quid. And fucking hell. And then I looked and it said, nuts missing, easy fix. Believe me, it's not. That, when you're talking about a nut on a vise, it's that bit. Yeah, and that has to be absolutely perfect. So, if anyone sees that, leave it alone. It's not worth the money. Same bucket, of degreaser that I've done the last 3 in. It settles nice and clean, so no point not using it really. So this will be going yellow, and it does all depend what the shade of yellow is. Because if it comes out a custardy, let's say custardy yellow, that would be perfect to put brown writing on. If it comes out a really vibrant yellow, I think I've got to go with red. And if it comes out a run-of-the-mill yellow, I think black. Alright, so we'll see what I get with what colour comes out, yeah? I'll show you today the way you clean a pin that goes through, because obviously you can't hold that on the angle grinder, and a spring. Spring needs opening up a little bit. Right. Amazing, isn't it? The damage it can go through a vise and to actually break a washer in half. I'll give this a wipe off, and when it's on the wire wheel will vibrate and get any other water off. It'll definitely be dry. The spring needs to be opened up a little bit because it's all squashed. So put the screwdriver through, not your finger, right? Definitely not your finger. Put the screwdriver through. When we see that there, yeah. Give it a push, yeah. Work it round. If you can, just give it a bit of a pull, and go through your next one. I'm a bit wary of fingers at the minute. I'm running out. And there we are. That's now opened up again. See that? Right, it was all squashed. Right. Well, the way to clean that is very simple. You get your bit and you stick it in the chuck of the drill. And then you walk over to the wire wheel. So these strip down nicely, and I'm going with the yellow, see where we get. And I didn't like the yellow. So while it was wet, I added in this metallic bronze. I just give it a light spray over the yellow. So remember what it looked like when we started? And it came out with a mixture of those two paints. I think one of the best vices I've ever done. And I highlighted the writing in purple. Right, okay, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to say bye for now. Bye for now. Who says that?